West Creek.
I'm Saniyyah Williams.
And I'm Andrea Sutton, and you've tuned into Coyote Entertainment Television,
the show all about the creek.
Tune in every Friday for fun skits, segments, and important information you may need to know for the new year.
To kick us off this week, our team put together a segment of our team's New Year's resolutions.
Let's check it out.
What is your New Year's resolution?
To stop overthinking things so much.
And another one?
Oh gosh, I don't know.
My New Year's resolution is to study more, because usually I can pass a test without studying, but when I go to college, it's going to be a completely different story. So getting in the habit of studying now is going to do me a lot of good. My second resolution is to let haters hate. I mean, haters hate because that's their job. So let a hater do their job. Why stop their bag? You know? Just let them hate.
My New Year's resolution is to not procrastinate. I remember when I was a little girl, my mom told me to clean my room, but I didn't. And overall, it was because I wanted a dog. And then I finally got a dog about like a couple weeks ago. Actually, it was like in... What's your New Year's resolution?
My New Year's resolution is I want to start trying to shower more than once a week. Just overall cleanliness in general, to be honest. But I think also probably like no more swear words. That one's probably a pretty good one too.
And so that was another lesson on procrastination. I also, funny story, I don't even have my learner's permit because it expired because I didn't go to the DMV to go get my license. So then therefore, like my permit expired. Of course, that's usually what happens.
Do we need to reshoot? This is the practice.
Can I just say one?
My New Year's resolution, I'm 5'11" right now, and I'm trying to be like 5'6", so like just grow more. Because like when I was little, I used to be like a really short kid, so I'm trying to go up and get taller. I think that's what I want to do. I think other than that,
my first New Year's resolution probably be to get a new job. I quit the other day, so I'm out of money. And second resolution probably be not get stunted on. I don't want to get stunted on.
So I want to be like rich, maybe stunt on a few people. Stunt on everybody really, because I deserve it.
My New Year's resolutions are to eat my veggies and drink milk.
I didn't do my stats work, and I had to do it at the last minute. Oh, another time about stats, I didn't do that work as well. And
what was your New Year's resolution again?
I'm almost done. And so then
my New Year's resolution is to plan ahead, and my second New Year's resolution is to procrastinate a lot less.
My New Year's resolution is to be on time.
Those are interesting and unique.
definitely. Good luck, Chance. For our next segment, we're taking a break from the New Year's and taking a step back into the holidays.
We ran around the school to see what everybody got for Christmas.
I might swerve in that corner, whoa, whoa.
The PS5. Favorite gift? I mean, probably the Apple Watch. But besides that, just being around my family.
The money. I spent a lot on Shein, so I don't have the money.
I got a mini fridge. It's pretty cool. It's like one of those Xbox ones.
I would have to say the cup that my daughter got me because I was starting a new job at teaching.
So my daughter and I really love the show Friends, and my favorite episode is the one where they play Thanksgiving football and somebody has to win the Geller Cup. And so my daughter made for me a little Geller Cup.
My favorite Christmas gift was my new shoes. I got the New Balance 530s in gray.
Nothing. Sad.
Why not?
Because I'm grown.
You didn't get anything?
No.
Spa day. Yes.
Wow, those are some awesome gifts.
Now let's turn it over to our reporter, Sean Hall, to update us on school news and weather that we can expect for the new week.
Take it away, Sean.
Well, welcome back, Coyotes. First up, calling all seniors. We have a mandatory Tennessee Promise meeting next Wednesday in the theater. You cannot miss it. If you do, you will not receive any Tennessee Promise money. If you aren't sure you're going to college, come out anyways. It's better safe than sorry. Have you thought about playing flag football? West Creek is having tryouts February 10th, hosted by our very own Coach King. It will be cold outside, so make sure to dress accordingly to the weather. Speaking of the weather, this week the temperature highest will be 26 degrees on Friday with a low of 19 Wednesday. Double check your email in the morning because we're supposed to be getting between 4 to 6 inches of snow. So enjoy tomorrow off and stay warm. That's all I have for today, Coyotes. See you next week. Back to Andrea and Saniyyah.
Thanks, Sean. Now we're all ready to enjoy the snow and hopefully no school.
And also the time we have here on CET.
We hope you've enjoyed, and remember, we are West Creek.